हेलो भाटी सर, कैसे हैं आप?
Hi, sir. I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
गुड गुड गुड। हाउ इज इट गोइंग? लॉकडाउन कैसा जा रहा है?
I must say it is going fantastic. I have never ever experienced such kind of atmosphere in my life, wherein we are
हम्म,
locked down with the family, lock, stock, and barrel, everything in stock, and kids are loving it. We are loving it as a parents, and
राइट।
at the same time, work is also not getting hampered. So
हम्म,
work from home concept has been launched first time in banking. I mean
हम्म,
IT. I know you guys are I would not say screwed up, but you guys are highly into this thing. But uh, for us, it's a new concept and we are loving it. It's a good time.
राइट राइट। सो बैंकिंग कैसे, लाइक रिटेल बैंकिंग तो होती नहीं होगी फिर उस पे, या कैसा रहता
No,
है?
so I am into a different segment altogether. We have a
हम्म,
banking called retail banking where you and me goes to the bank and we exchange cash. We need to
हम्म,
deposit. We need to do RTGS, NEFT, and all those stuff. So for
हम्म,
that, banks are opened up. So there are back-end activities also like loans, legals, and we are into debt service management. So we
हम्म,
connect with the customer to understand that what is his situation as of now and whether he is ready to pay the EMIs or not. So
हम्म,
anyway, which the RBI has introduced the moratorium, and so basically we are in touch with the customer. We cannot do much. We cannot. We are in request mode, and it's just a new concept for us to learn, and I hope we'll gain something out of it.
हम्म। सो सिंस इट इज अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यू गाइस, क्या सबसे फन पार्ट क्या है इस एक्सपीरियंस का?
लॉकडाउन का या ये
नहीं।
बैंकिंग में जो वर्क फ्रॉम
हाँ,
होम है उसका?
वर्क फ्रॉम होम का।
Fun part is like when I'm calling to the customer, Simba comes to me and jump on me, and so I'm taking a con call with my team, and he just came, Papa, and he started rolling over and do all kinds of stuff, and I need to just go and click the mute button and say,
राइट।
hey, go back, and I shout, Mega, please take him away, and so that is one thing, because as I told you that we guys are not habitual of work from home. We have a very traditional working from office,
राइट।
and we have to actually accommodate ourselves within the homely environment and then carry out our professional jobs and all the doables. So that's
राइट
a
राइट।
fun part, dealing with kids, dealing with family, dealing with कि वो आपने वीडियो देखा होगा कि
हाँ।
बॉस आई एम वर्किंग इनटू प्रेजेंटेशन एंड पीछे वो सैलेड काट रहा होता है एंड समथिंग लाइक
राइट
दैट.
राइट।
So it's going on. It's fun.
कूल कूल। सो कैसे अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए क्या करते हो? लाइक हम लोग, पता है आप सिम्बा और है तो मतलब वो मस्ती तो चालू रहती होगी, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट।
मस्ती है.
हाँ।
Yes, masti hai. I try to see my body clock is as such that if I sleep at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I get up early in the morning at 6:50, 6:30. I try to go for a walk, and then little bit of yoga pranayam through videos of so many things. And
राइट।
fitness का, I'll tell you, I'm be very frank and candid कि मेरे जैसे लोगों के ऊपर ये सब चीजों का कोई असर नहीं पड़ता है. So there are another set of people like me, सत्या भैया, हेलो सत्या
हाँ।
भैया, प्रवीण जी. बहुत चक्कर लगाते हैं 4-4, 5-5 किलोमीटर, पर फर्क नहीं पड़ता. 5-5, 10-10 किलोमीटर चलाते हैं, 100 ग्राम कम नहीं होता है. So I'm just enjoying it. कोशिश करता हूँ कि थोड़ा बहुत ग्रीन टी पी के अपने आप को साइकोलॉजिकली कोशिश कर लें कि हाँ वी आर गेटिंग फिट, बट ठीक है, इट्स गोइंग ऑन.
राइट। किस चीज की कमी महसूस हो रही है लॉकडाउन के कारण?
सर कमी हो रही है आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज की. वेरी आई एम वेरी फ्रैंक, वी लव टू प्ले बैडमिंटन, एंड मेरे साथ तो थोड़ा और एक वो हुआ कि लॉकडाउन से पहले आई वेंट फॉर 15 days ऑफ लीव. तो जितनी दुनिया लॉकडाउन में है, मेरा उसका +15 चल रहा है.
अच्छा।
So we used to love outdoor activities, volleyball, for time, Sunday story, वो कचोरी match with Jitendra Bisht and Satya Bhaiya का कचोरी match, and badminton and all outdoor activities. We are missing that, missing big time.
राइट, वी ऑल आर मिसिंग इट। सो बात करते हैं क्रिकेट की। कुछ क्रिकेट
Yeah.
चल रहा है आपका, या टोटल फुल स्टॉप लगा हुआ है?
नहीं, क्रिकेट मेरा थ्योरी पार्ट चल रहा है, सो आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग दिस, playing it my way, Sachin
अरे
Tendulkar.
नाइस
It's
नाइस.
an excellent autobiography, and it is. I have read around 280 pages or so. तो मैं जब अपनी छुट्टियों के टाइम पे था, तो मैं थोड़ा, मेरा स्पीड अच्छा था. I was reading, bit fast. But once this work from home concept has started, so I am a bit slow. But another 5-7 days I am going to complete it, and I am loving it. It's a fantastic book. तो थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट चल रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत गैलरी में बच्चों के साथ नॉकिंग शॉकिंग कर लेते हैं ग्रीन ग्रास पिच के ऊपर. सो आई हैव दैट आर्टिफिशियल ग्रास व्हिच इज रोल्ड डाउन देयर. सो माय डॉटर, माय सन, मी, एंड वी ट्राई टू प्ले विद दैट फुटबॉल क्रिकेट. सो इट्स जैसे फुटसॉल होता है ना, ऐसे फुटबॉल क्रिकेट टाइप ये बैट इज क्रिकेट बैट एंड बॉल इज फुटबॉल, because kids are not accommodated to that cricket ball. So we are playing that football cricket.
करेक्ट. तो APL के क्या व्यूज है? APL 3 was supposed to be held in the month of April. अभी अपन थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोन हो गया है, but sure it is coming as soon as the lockdown is over. तो क्या व्यूज है, क्या कुछ प्रिपरेशन है? How is it going?
प्रिपरेशन तो आई वुड से कि थोड़ा बहुत कैलकुलेटिव. हर every captain, they do some calculations in terms of team selection and all those things. So the way it kicked off, the votings, and then we had a team meeting, organization committee meeting there at the clubhouse, and then we set up and all those things. So till then it was going very fine. We all were excited that let the April come, and there will be auctions, and then there will be cricket will be going full swing. And then this Corona came and all Rona started. So that's what we are missing, and we are just waiting that this Corona gets an end and we'll be back to our normal life along with cricket and APL.
We all are waiting. बात करते हैं, चलो फिर पुरानी मेमोरीज की बात करते हैं. Tell us some good memories about APL first and second that you have.
To be very frank, APL first, we have only one memory, that we defeated Invincible. Ankit's team, we had a very first match, and we defeated them. And trust me, the confidence was very high. Kaushal was and Mohit was our vice captain, and in team meeting we thought that we have defeated the best team, and this tournament belongs to us. And we were, and trust me, we were a very good, formidable side. If I talk about on papers, so we have Kaushal as captain, then we have Mohit, and then we have Arun, Mohit's brother. Then we have Chitransh, then we have Akshay, then we have Girish ji, then myself, then Praveen.
Right.
Praveen was there. Then we have one more, Tarun. So we have Tarun. So we were a quite competitive side, and when we defeated Ankit's team, we were on cloud 9. We thought that APL trophy हमसे कोई नहीं लेके जाएगा, and that was the one and first and last win we had. So good moment about APL 1 was that one win. And APL 2, obviously there are many memories, like the match that Pranshu has mentioned, that was on the top of the list. When chips were down, we were just restricted on some 27 runs, and these guys were betting brilliantly. They have very strong betting line. I remember Avinash was playing, and he scored. The score was around 20 runs, and at the loss of 1 wicket, and they just need 7 runs, and we managed to win that match. And that was the best memory, I think so, that of APL 2.
Right. So we all love changes, we all love some twists, interesting twist. So what we did was, हमने इस प्रोग्राम में भी एक ट्विस्ट डाला है. इसमें हम कुछ ऑडियंसेस के क्वेश्चंस भी लेंगे. So आपके लिए कुछ ऑडियंसेस ने भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं. So let's hear them out. क्या कहते हैं and what are your responses to it? So
sure.
हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए है. Just listen to it.
Hi everyone, this is Ankit Stephen. Hello Bhati ji. My question to you is, who is your favorite cricketer here in Ananda and why?
Who is my favorite cricketer in Ananda and why? I would say my favorite cricketer in Ananda, I'll say Sapan. The reason for Sapan is that he's very humble,
Mm-hmm.
and the kind of strokes that he has, entire Ananda does not have. Ankit said that Parma जो है ना वो Parma चलता है जब. So let anybody there at bowling to Sapan. Sapan can hit sixes with closed eyes, and he is not somebody who boasts himself that I am somebody who is hitting sixes, or I am like Chris Gale. He's very down to earth, very mellow kind of very sweet person. He action speaks louder than his words.
True.
So I think my favorite cricketer in Ananda is it goes to Sapan.
Mm-hmm. All right, so let's hear the next question.
Hello everyone, and hi, I'm Pranshu. Hi Bhati Bhaiya, what's up? So my question to you probably would be, who according to you is the most underrated player? Who can, who's not that much in the limelight but has all the potential and the ability to change the game. I mean, most underrated, never been in the limelight. I would love to know that from you as a captain. Thank you.
I know this must be coming from Pranshu only. बहुत बुगली फेंकता है ये straight up. Underrated player. Underrated player. It's a very tricky question, and I was thinking of while you said that people will be asking. I thought that somebody may ask this question that who is the underrated player.
Mm-hmm.
I think Puneet.
Right.
People, what I have observed about Puneet is that while in APL2, before APL2 also, and during everything, Puneet is somebody people have not actually assessed the kind of batsman he is.
True.
But the way he has performed in APL2 and the class that he displayed whenever he has played,
Mm-hmm.
I think people have not given him that much of credit, and he was like a wall during APL2 for us. And I don't know previously for which team he has played, but I would rate that Puneet is a bit of underrated player, the kind of quality that he possesses.
Absolutely.
As a batsman.
And in case anyone has any doubt to this answer, for APL1 he was playing with me, so I can vouch for that.
Yeah. Okay.
Definitely. Sure. All right. So moving on to our last question, and let's hear who this is.
Hello Ashu Bhaiya. Hello Bhati Bhaiya. It's me Vipul. Bhati Bhaiya, my question to you is, वो कौन से 3 बॉलर हैं जिनके अगेंस्ट खेलते हुए आप थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्टी फेस करते हो, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत ही अच्छे बॉलर्स हैं, इनके सामने थोड़ा सा केयरफुली खेलना चाहिए? So this is my question, and everybody, all the very best for the season 3. Hope you all will have a blast.
So I would say I have got my best 3 bowlers in my mind. One is I would say Akash, Ankit, and Ashutosh.
Okay.
So these are the 3 bowlers. I mean, they have their quality in terms of Akash has that with pace, and he's very accurate in terms of his Yorkers. Ankit does not need any run up. He can generate pace from from a little finger itself. And Ashutosh, oh my God, what a turner he is! He can turn from leg spin, off spin, googly. Oh my God, I was dancing on the wicket when you were bowling, and I could not read when you were throwing, when you were releasing ball from your hand. So I think these are the 3 bowlers I would be suggesting everyone to be very, very careful when these guys are bowling. Rest, there are many bowlers like obviously Lucky, very Lucky, very consistent bowler. Then Pranshu, then Vipul itself, very disguised action and all. But if I have to be very careful, I choose these 3 bowlers.
Right. Right. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ankit, Pranshu, and Vipul. Thanks for your questions. With that, we come to our last
Thanks,
round.
guys. And these questions were very tricky, I must say. I mean, you put me into, it was a direct googly from all three of you, and no hard feelings. It was just what I felt.
Yeah.
So I named whatever came to my mind.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right. So with that, we come to our last section, which is a small quiz. Let's see how prepared you are with your 1 week series.
But you did not share any 1 week series for this quiz. I am very disappointed with you.
So let's see. हाँ बिल्कुल. So and मैंने आपके लिए बहुत easy questions रखे हैं. It's not difficult at all.
Okay.
All right. So moving on to first question. APL 1 में आप आनंदा पल्टन की तरफ से खेल रहे थे. Who was the highest wicket taker from your team in the tournament?
Ananda Paltan. I think Ananda Paltan में मोहित और कौशल थे हमारे जो स्ट्राइक बॉलर्स थे. So either it has to be Mohit or Kaushal. So Mohit ka, I think I'll go with Kaushal.
Right. It was Kaushal with 9 wickets.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. APL 1 में पल्टन ने एक ही मैच जीता था. किसको हराया?
मैंने आंसर कर दिया आपको.
Right.
That was the only memory of APL 1 that we defeated Ankit's team. And they were, and by the way, they were toppers. They were toppers of the league.
Absolutely.
And that was the only achievement that we had in APL first as a Paltan team.
All right. So APL 2 में आप Game Swingers के captain थे. And you obviously were the winners as well. But league stage के बाद में आपकी standing क्या थी APL में?
League में हम लोग we were fourth. I mean, okay. From top to down, we were fourth.
Right, correct. Okay, next question is who was the top scorer in the league for Game Swingers?
He was our, the wall, and every match he performed. Every match, Akash, these are the guys, either Akash used to play or Puneet used to play. दो लोग अच्छा मैच शुरू में निकाल के खींच के लेके जाते थे. And Puneet was like wall. उधर एक तरफ से विकेट गिरे जा रहे हैं, कोई रन आउट हो रहा है, कोई कैच आउट हो रहा है, कोई बोल्ड हो रहा है, कोई बाहर. And he was rock solid. Defense निकाल के सिंगल दाएं बाएं इधर उधर बीच में का चौका मार के निकाल के. And I think he was a top scorer for Game Swingers. Puneet was the top scorer.
Right. Okay, who had the highest individual score for Game Swingers in the tournament in APL 2?
First match wherein Akash scored, I think, unbeatable, some 39, 40, 45, something in range of that. Either
right.
40.
It was Akash. Yeah, it was Akash with 41. That's correct. What is the total number of wickets taken by Trivinash Bhati in both the APLs combined?
Both the APLs?
Yeah. Total number of wickets.
See, I remember for APL 2 because Anubhav told me in final match that Bhati uncle, please don't take one more wicket. Otherwise, I will lose this best bowler award to you. So I said, don't worry, I'll not take one wicket. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने नहीं लिया, मुझे मिला नहीं वो विकेट. तो कुछ 14 विकेट मेरे APL 2 में थे. APL फर्स्ट में I don't have any idea, शायद 1 या 2 विकेट होगा मुश्किल से. I don't have any idea about APL 1.
Right. So APL 2 में आपके 14 थे.
1-2 लगा के 16 लगा लो आप.
So there were 5 in all in APL 1. The total comes to 19.
5. Okay. Okay, 19.
All right. Next question. Who was the highest wicket taker in your eliminator match in APL 2? Game Swingers की तरफ से.
Eliminator match was with UC. I think शायद मैं.
Right.
हाँ, क्योंकि I remember कि वो थोड़ा बहुत ड्रामा हुआ था वहाँ पे. Okay.
3 wickets. Yes. Correct. All right. So with that, we end the quiz. However, we have 2 more questions which we ask all our guests.
Yeah.
One player you think you should have had in your IPL 2 team. Although I know you were the winners, so आपको लगता है perfect team है. But एक player जिसको आपको लगता था कि जो होना चाहिए था मेरी टीम में, मजा आता.
अगर मेरे को गिवन ए चॉइस, क्योंकि मैंने I'll be very frank with you, I targeted 2 players. One was Akash, so I got it some 21-22 lakh rupees. And then I was very desperate to get Lokesh Baswal. Okay, I wanted that because see, I consider myself as a captain by fluke and performer by luck. ठीक है, तो मुझे ये था कि I wanted some good bowlers. So I knew that Akash, I picked up Akash. I knew Vijay Rajji was a good bowler, and I knew that DP used to bowl. So I was not very sure about who could play as a 4th bowler. So I was eyeing Lokesh Baswal very badly, but I could not buy him, and I was eyeing for him.
Right.
As a bowler.
And who do you think would be one player to watch out for in APL 3?
घायल शेर सुना आपने? घायल शेर घायल शेर होता है
Right.
एक घायल शेर यहाँ पे एक ही है, वो है अंकित. दोनों APL में सेमीफाइनल में जाके वो हारे हैं.
Correct.
और उसके अलावा सबसे लेटेस्ट जख्म तो मैंने ही उनको दिया है, जो स्पोर्ट्स वीक के अंदर हम लोग हारे हैं. So he is like घायल शेर. And he can do miracles with any team that has given to him. Obviously, excellent bowler, as I told you, and batsman, and captaincy skills is again. And he has proved that in both the editions, his team was topping the chart. And everybody has his share of success. I think Pranshu had his share of success. Sapan has his share of success. All these. The players who used to be अपना खेलते हैं जो वहाँ पे जाके. Ankit is only one who did not have his share of success. So I will say that he is the घायल शेर, and I would say that for me he is the person who would be looked at.
So we'll all watch out for Ankit this time. Who knows? 3rd time lucky.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
All right, Bhattiji. With that, we come to our end. It was great fun talking to you. मजा आया.
Same here, Ashu Bhaiya, and I salute you for all these initiatives that you are taking here. First of all, this APL concept could not be materialized without your thinking, and it is not just that you have. One is that a person can just think. हवा में plan बनाते हैं. Plan बनाना, उसको execute करना, and it was dream come true not only once, twice, and this was the 3rd edition that it was planned. When everybody was getting bored, you came up with this nice initiative, APL lockdown talks. I'm telling you, this is working very fine. I don't know the response of this episode. This could be boring, interesting, or whatever it is. But previous 2 episodes, they were fantastic. I enjoyed every bit of it. And I would request only one thing, that as a captain, when somebody has to interview you, please grant me that privilege that I may interview you.
Sure.
And we all want to to see you on other side where you will be responding to questions, and somebody from another end would be throwing questions to you. So that is a request.
Sure, definitely. 100% will do that. All right, Bhattiji, it was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for your time.
Same here, Bhaiya. Thank you everyone. And I think today again lockdown has been extended for another 14 days, so we have to be very careful. And ठीक है, घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, and enjoy the lockdown.
Absolutely.
Okay, Bhaiya. Thanks.
Bye.
Talk to you.